Hi, my friends. I have a friend here in my office from UK, Marcus Lewis. He's a great magician and hypnotist. And tomorrow in the workshop, at the evening or for the party only, doing a wonderful workshop on hypnosis and using magic together for entertainment purpose. Now he's right now in my office, and I have a lot of hypnotist friends here coming from all over India, and he's performing wonderful magic tricks. So watch them and enjoy. Thank you.
These cards, they're all different, yeah?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, you choose one, anyone you like. I'll spread through them, just grab a card. I won't look. Show it to everyone else, show it to the camera. I won't look. Anyone you like? You got it? Yeah? Show it to everyone. I won't look. Okay. You got it? Yeah? Okay, place it face down, so I can't see it. Oh, perfect. Okay, watch this though. You'll see it about 20 cards, yeah? On top of your card, okay? So your card is now somewhere in the middle, right? There? Okay, hold your hands flat for me like a table. That's perfect. Watch this, yeah? All I need you to do is think about your card, okay? Just think about your card, okay? Watch. You'll see it happen, look.
Wow.
Space, yeah?
Yes.
Great. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Perfect. So, I'll just get rid of this pen. I'm kidding, is it? You look Alright, here we go. You write your name on the card, yeah? This proves that it's the only card like it in the pack because it's got your name on it, yeah? There's no other card like this one, right?
Yes.
So if I take your card and I place it in about the middle, you see it going in, yeah? Now look, it's not on the bottom, okay? It's not on the top, right? But look, if you just touch it here, just touch it like this. You feel it?
Yeah.
Watch. You did. It jumps all the way up. Look, I do it again, look. I'll take your card, place it in about the middle, look. And look, it jumps all the way up. Now I cheat when I do it, okay? I cheat, so I'm going to let you do it, okay? I'll leave the card sticking out, okay? So you can see it. Place here, look. Push it in with your thumb all the way in. Look. To my mouth. Do you see it go?